Here's another quick recipe from our dietitian, Simone.
Today here I've got some caraway seeds, and they've really got a unique aroma. Like most herbs, spices and seeds, they add great flavour to food. And caraway seeds have been used a lot for digestive issues over time. And today we're going to learn how to use them in the kitchen when I cook my caraway seed cake. A slice of this cake is perfect for afternoon tea, and I'm going to show you the ideal caraway seed cake recipe. I will be adding ensure powder, which contains 28 vitamins and minerals, including calcium, iron and zinc, to give your nutritional intake a bit of a boost. Firstly, grease a loaf pan and preheat the oven to 160 degrees. Then in a bowl, beat the butter, sugar, eggs, 6 scoops of ensure vanilla powder, custard powder and sifted flour with an electric mixer on low speed until it's all combined. Then add half a cup of milk and beat for a few minutes on high. Stir in the caraway seeds, then spread the cake mixture into the pan and bake on the 160 degrees for about 50 minutes to an hour. Remove and let stand for about 5 minutes before turning on to the wire rack to cool. Slice and enjoy with a nice cup of tea. For this easy cake recipe, be sure to grab some ensure vanilla powder from any participating pharmacy.